Hey everyone, in this video I will be reviewing a package from Toco 4.0 Graphics from MotionCan, which is the sponsor of today's video. In this package you will get more than 2000 elements, lower third, sending posters, transitions, text messages, glitch overlays, typographics and many more. I will leave a link in the description for a demo package of that, which you can get for free. So let's waste no more time and show you what is inside as well as how you can install them. But before that, I want to announce that I'll be giving away one pack for free for one of you. To participate in this giveaway, you just need to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will pick one winner. Now let's continue with the review. So after receiving the package from them, you want to right click on it and extract it in the same folder. And inside you will find 5 folders. And after you open it, you want to go to the first one, which is Toco Installer. The first file in here is for Windows users and the second one is for Mac users. Since I'm on Windows, I'm double clicking on the first one and select install and press next. When it's finished, click on finish and all the graphics now are installed in Davinci Resolve. In that folder is also some instructions of how you can use it, as well as how you can install it in their YouTube page. And there is also a note that you need to install a couple of fonts in order to run all the graphics without any problems. And if you're having some problems on how to install it, you can click on their tutorial link, which is gonna lead you to one of their videos on YouTube and show you how you can do it. Then you need to download the fonts by clicking here, then click on download. And once you got them, just like the package, you need to right click and extract it in the same folder. Then open that folder that you have just created. Then open the following folder as well. And here you can see all the name of the fonts that they're using in their graphics. Just open the first one, double click on it and then click install. It's pretty simple to do. Then you can do the same with the rest. And instead of doing it one by one, you can just highlight everything and then right click and then press install. It's not complicated, it's pretty easy to do. And it's something that you don't have to worry about, but you need to do. In their pack they're also having around 600 sound effects, which we can find in folder extra materials. Now when we have the pack installed as well as the fonts, we can go in Davinci Resolve, we can go to effects library, expand the titles, and you will see Toco Graphics 4.0. And when you scroll down, you will see their entire library of graphics. The first one that you're seeing on top is typographic, and just like other graphics, you can preview them by hovering over with the mouse. And when it's time to use, you can just simply drag and drop over your footage. You can increase and decrease the length of it. If you highlight it, you can go to inspector on the right side. And for example, let's edit the text in this one. So I'm expanding the edit text. I'm gonna type forest walk, and down on channel name, I'm gonna type Molen Guides. Also, you can fix the text tracking, the text size, change the font, and in the second drop down menu you can edit the color, so you can customize every one of the graphics that you're having based on your liking. There is also background of this text, so you can decrease the opacity of it and leave just the text. In my case I'm gonna leave just a half of it because I want to keep the footage rolling, and this is what you're having. Also they're having some cool backgrounds just like this one, from where you can leave some text over and use it as a background just like this. They are also having some social media icons, which are also animated. For example, you can leave your Instagram, you can resize it, leave it in one of the corners that you want. And I'm gonna grab another one. Let's say I'm gonna get Twitter. I'm gonna leave it over, I'm gonna make it the same length. Then I'm gonna grab it and resize it as same as the Instagram. And then you can put some text beside it so that it can show your social media. Another social media buttons is the subscribe and the click, so you can leave them over each other and make them work together. Also you can select the backgrounds here and it will display just the backgrounds. Then there is social media icons, just like I said previously. Moving further down you can see the titles. You can preview them by hovering over, just like I said. And there are more than 2000 graphics, so I cannot go in detail for each one of them, so make sure to explore them yourself. There are some lower thirds and everything in this pack is nice and smooth, so you don't have to worry about any keyframes. Moving further down there is also a big titles folder where you can preview the big titles. Further down they are having some kinetic titles, which are also really good. Further down they are having some kinetic posters as well as some nice graphics with some trippy looks. Down below they're having some shape elements which are pretty awesome. You can use it as a scribble or something else so that you can power up the action in the footage. Further down you will find some interface items. Make sure to explore them as well. Also some gradients which are animated. Also some callouts, pretty useful for explanatory videos. They're also having some infographics, which are also good for explanatory videos. And you can customize everything in this package. For example, I'm gonna use this graphic data. I'm gonna increase and decrease the values that I want to show. I can even take off the background so I can have a footage rolling behind it. There is also some text messages, and there is a folder for logo review, which you can use it to make an intro for your videos. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for this package. If you wanna see the license, you can go in here, but it's very much straightforward. I'm gonna leave additional information about the license in the description as well. And for the price of $69, I think this package with more than 2000 elements is pretty worth it. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.